this is my quick review of this feet massager. I'll show you how it works and share my overall thoughts with you. If you're tired of overwork feet, in 1 minute I'll show you how I use this 2-piece foot massage set, an orange roller and a black spiky ball. In the box you get both a texture roller for long, smooth passes and a spiky ball for precise pressure. I usually love to sit down and place the roller under my foot and slowly go heel to toe for 30 or 30 seconds, then I usually switch sides. And light pressure for gentle massage, and a little more if I want a deeper feel. I also angle it along the arch if that's where I feel the most tension. The ball is great for pinpoint spots under the heel, forefoot, or even calves and forearms. I love to do small circles with it. You can also stand and roll it against a wall for more control. And the texture feels very firm but not harsh. So if you're sensitive, you can try thin socks at first, and sometimes I love to chill the roller for a quick cooling feel, and then I just wipe everything with damp clothes to clean. Also, if you're hearing some jingling, that's my miniature schnauzer, because he is convinced that the spiky ball is a new toy for him. Overall, I absolutely love this little set. It's easy to use, it's super portable, and it helps my feet feel refreshed after long days. I love it and highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching!